Hello coders, in this video we will solve next question from our LeetCode 75 list, and let me take you to the screen first. And yeah, this is the question which is rotting oranges. So basically what they are saying ki you have given a grid in which 0 represent an empty cell, 1 represent a fresh orange and 2 represent a rotten orange. Every minute any fresh orange that is 4 directionally adjacent to a rotten orange become rotten. Okay, it means ki if a fresh orange have a rotten orange in its four direction, any of it, like you can imagine a fresh orange. A rotten orange can, if we place the rotten orange at its upside, downside, left side or right side, then that fresh orange will also get rotten after a minute. Then what we need to do, return the minimum number of minutes that must elapse until no cell has a fresh orange. If this is impossible, we need to return -1. So basically what they are saying ki we have rotten oranges, and all rotten oranges will start what? Will start rot, rottening, or we can say it will basically start rottening to the uh, fresh orange which is beside them, and this process will continue until we meet all cells, or we can say ki we can meet all cells. And uh, now after that we'll see ki if we don't we if we don't return if we unable to return a fresh orange, then we need to return -1. So basically let's see first example, this one, which is we'll see this. So here is the first example in which they are given this. So we have rotten orange at 0 0. 2 is rotten orange, right? Okay. And 1 is fresh orange. And okay, 1 is fresh orange, 0 means empty space. Okay. So now at for 1 minute it will go, like it will start rotating to its right one, this one, and the down one, this one. Because the upside one is out of grid, and also the left side one also out of grid. So in 1 minute what will happen, this will turn into 2, this will turn into 2 at 1 minute. Let me take 1 minute also. T is equals to 2 at t is equals to 1, sorry, at 1 minute this and this will be 2. In next minute what will happen, whichever, if we say ki this turn into 2 first, then this will start rotating, this will start rotating process, and this will turn to, like, this will get rotten, then this will get rotten. Okay, and then we will pop out this and we'll see ki okay, this is already rotten and this is space, so we can't rotten space, this is not a fresh orange. So okay, we'll skip this, and now we have this two. We'll take this and we'll see, okay, we have this one which can be get rotten. So yeah, we'll say ki okay, rotten in t is equals to 2. Okay, this one was t is equals to 1, this one was 2, and now this one is 3. After for when t is equals to 4, what will happen, this one will will start rotating to its adjacent, which is this one, and this will get 2. Okay, this will happen at first, like when t is equals to 4, all we can see ki all we can't see any fresh orange in the grid, and so we return the 4. Let's take second example, this one. Here we have this and this. So at t is equals to 1, what will happen, this will start rotating process and this will get rotten, it will be 2. Done. This is already empty space, so we can't rotate empty space, so okay. And then when t is equals to 2, this will start rotating, this will be 2, this will be 2. Okay, when t is equals to 3, this will be 3, sorry, this will be rotten, and this will start rotating, this won't get rotten, and this is already rotten, so it will be like this only. Then at t is equals to 4, this will get rotten, which is 2, and there is no adjacent to rotten, there is no fresh orange, so okay. And when this will pop out, then we can see here is the space, here space, here 2, here 2, so we can't rotate anything. we can't, there is no fresh orange to get rotten. So yeah, uh, so this one remain as it is, so we can't, this is the fresh orange and we can't, like we are unable to uh, we are unable to convert fresh orange to rotten orange, and all orange, basically all fresh orange to the rotten orange, so we return -1 here. Okay, so how we can do it? So basically, while solving exam, we saw that we were going layer wise. Like first we took the rotten oranges, then we saw that can I do this, can I rotten the orange which is adjacent to me. Likewise, we went level wise. So basically, we use BFS here. And first, what we will do, like throughout the code, I will tell you. We'll take a queue. Like basically, we will do here a BFS. We'll use BFS string, and we'll solve it using BFS. So basically, we will first declare ki int time for the time. I will say ki t is equals to 0 at the time we will going, and I will take a queue in which I will store a cells coordinate parent in queue, and okay, I will take a grid size, grid dot size, and number of columns is equals to grid 0 dot size, and we'll traverse the grid, or j is equals to 0, j is less than m, j plus plus, and we'll see if grid at ij is equals to 2, means it is the place where we have a rotten orange, then push it in Q. Okay, and we can say we need to we'll do that again. Well, I was saying we need to maintain visited vector, but what if we will just do uh, whenever we are visiting a fresh orange, we will mark it as a rotten, and we will not visit place which we okay, yeah, we can take, I think, yeah, we need to take did we visited it or not, cause it may happen that we are taking the visited cell again and again. So first we will create visited vector, visited, in which I will have n same as grid m. First I didn't visited anyone, so I will save this. While pushing in the queue, I will say yeah, I visited it. So visited ij is equals to 1. I visited it. So yeah, so now we can say that I will take this here. This is the time which is 0. Also, while doing this, what I will say that I will calculate the fresh oranges, so that I will get know कि did I whenever I will wrote one orange, then I will decrease its count, fresh orange count, and if it is 0, then I will return my time whichever I require, and if it is not equal to 0, then I will say कि -1, I can't as I don't have any coordinates of rotating or rotate, or not rotate, rotten orange, so I can't do further, and so fresh oranges which are remain, they will be remain fresh, and so I am unable to do that, and I will return -1. So yeah, so for that I need to see ki if do have how many fresh oranges do I have. So if it is equals to 1, then it means ki 1, right? It is 1 equal to 1, then it is a fresh orange, so I will say fresh plus plus, fresh plus plus. Okay, then what I will do, okay, I will do PFS while Q isn't empty. Inside that, we'll take a layer size. This basically means at that particular time, how many rotten oranges do I have? So that QS is equals to Q dot size, Q dot size. While my QS minus minus, take a QS, then minus minus, what I will do, take first which we pair q dot front, q dot pop, and then x is equals to yt dot first, y is equals to yt dot second, and I will say if Okay, I need to go in 4 direction. For that I will as you know key what we do key I take x direction and the y direction vector. And the y direction I'm going work, then I need to minus 1 to the row, and for the column I don't need to do anything, so it will be 0. And if I'm going to the right, then what I need to do, I need to do for the x direction I don't need to do anything, and for the y direction what I need to do, I need to do plus 1. If I'm going out down, then I need to add 1 to the row, and for column nothing. If I going left, I need to not anything to do with row, but I need to do minus in my column, minus 1. So yeah, these are my x direction y directions vector in which I will add. So yeah, for I is equals to 0, I can take here I is less than 4, I plus plus, and my new x is equals to x plus x direction I, and my new y is equals to y plus y direction I. So now I got new coordinates. I will see if those are valid or not. If it is less than 0, or my nx equals to n, or my ny is less than 0, or my ny is equals to m, or I have already visited it. I have visited nx ny is equals to 1. In that case, I need to continue. I don't need to see that cell. And if it is not, then what I will say, if it isn't visited, we can say, okay, I already did that. So what I will do, okay, now I am visiting it. So I will say, okay, I visited it, and if it is fresh orange, like it was here in grid, so if it is a fresh orange, then just do like decrease the quantity of fresh, and I can say yeah, I decrease the quantity of fresh and mark that as orange, cause we as this is rotten now, this equals to 1, then we'll do this, it is rotten now. And yeah, this is how we'll do. And after doing this for every layer, like for this layer we can say, or yeah, we'll increase the time, which is t plus plus. And after everything what we will say ki if fresh is greater than 0, then I need to return minus 1, because I am unable to road like there are the fresh oranges in the grid, and otherwise I will return the time that I took to rotten the oranges which were the fresh there. But it's saying minus 1. Oh, why? Here I did visit is equals to 1, then grade is equals to fresh plus plus. I took this and until q is empty. Oh, I need to add it to the queue again, right? Because this is the new rotten orange for me. So q dot push nx and ny. Then see what happens. Let's run it again. Okay, it's saying 5. It's taking one more here also. So what I can do here, ki, how will I start it? I can say ki it is t minus 1. Like I'm calculating one more time basically. Yeah, it was right. I was taking one more time. Like for t is equals to 0, this happens, then I'm doing t plus plus. So when so everything like nothing was nothing was got entered in the queue, at that time also I did t plus plus basically. So yeah, I can say ki I shouldn't do that, and so that's why it is t minus 1. So yeah, let's submit it. Oh, it is already 0. It means what? I need to see here, if my fresh was 0, then I need to return 0. If there was no any fresh orange is equals to 0, then I don't need to go and rotate it. So return 0. Then submit it. Now it is accepted. So yeah, these things happens and we need to debug it, and Yeah, how much time complexity is taking? As we went through all the grade, then we are doing the BFS, and we are maintaining visitor vector, so it will take time complexity of big of n square, and space complexity also big of n square, as we are taking visited one extra, like that one, the visited vector was the extra one. So yeah, this was today's question, and let me know did you like it or not. And if you like it, then like, share, and subscribe. Till then, bye.